Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of a product that I purchased from Amazon. It is a ceiling mount for our TV. So I just got this today, just gonna open it up. It had over 800 reviews. It was like 4.5 stars out of 5 stars on Amazon. So a lot of people were pretty satisfied with it. So let's just see what's in store here. So I recently purchased a 65-inch TV. This is compatible up to 65 inches of television. Pretty big box for something small here. So it's a Barkan mounting piece here. It could tilt. The maximum load is 85 pounds. The height is 5 height positions, and then it could also tilt as well. Mounting it onto my ceiling, which will be going above the fireplace, just above there. So I'll be putting it right above there. It'll be high enough that when I use the fireplace, it won't be exposed too much to the heat. So I'm going to be opening this now. Let's just see what there is inside of this. So let's take this away. I'm going to take this out here. There's some tape. So this, just to show you the back here. So should you have different types of televisions, there's the flat screen, there's the curved screen. So depending upon what positions your the holes are, it will adapt to that as well. And I'll give you a little shot of that just in case you need this. And definitely you will need a stud finder, so you can go right into the wood, so it's more secure. So let's have a look here. So, assuming this is the manual, user's instruction TV ceiling mount. Comes with all the different parts here. So I'll have to read through what these pieces are all about. There's this piece here as well. I assume this is the cap for the ceiling. And here are all the different types of bolts that are needed, labeled alphanumeric. These ones I definitely assume will go into the ceiling there. This one will go into the back of the television. So I'll be putting this onto the back of my television, and I'll take you through that as well. I'm not sure what this one is yet, but we will figure this out. So I'm going to read through the instructions and figure out how to assemble this. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on the back holding bracket. There's the 4 bolts here. So it's saying for a washer with a screw. So this tilting part here, if you can see it, that faces up, so that when if this is facing up, if you want to tilt it down, the TV is able to do so. So on the back, so just lining up, if you were to line up all these holes here, these would be at the top here, and then these ones would be just right here. So let's try putting this in. There's a washer nut here. Okay, so I've assembled the telescopic bars here that will determine the height from the ceiling. So I've put it on the shortest because I don't want the TV coming down so low as to get too near to the heat of the fireplace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten these up, and then I'll take you to the next part. There we go. Easy job. So if you like our work here, please subscribe to our channel. Click that bell notification icon to always stay up to date. And hit that like button. Until next time, take care.